Hi, I'm Kip from kiphakes.tv and today I'm doing an unboxing video. Now this video is actually a series of videos and it's going to be in 3 parts. Basically, we are looking at this. Whoa! There we go. So this is the ROG Strix LC 240 RGB liquid CPU cooler. Is it in the shot? I think it's in the shot. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, and this is what I'm going to be doing the 3 videos about. So basically, they're going to be split into 3 parts. First off, this video is going to be an unboxing video where I'll take it all out, have a little look at it, and get a feel for it. The second one is when I'm going to actually install it into my computer. And then the third one is where we will just see how it works, how it looks, and maybe how it performs. So yeah, I don't know how quickly each video is going to come out, but I imagine there might be a week or 2 in between each one. So best thing to do is hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you can follow this story with me. Now basically I've opted to go for one of these because whilst I'm happy with this stock cooler on my Ryzen CPU, I think it could be better, and also I think it could be a bit more RGB-er. Is that a word? I don't know. So yeah, I thought, well, I'd give it a go with liquid cooling and see if that makes any discernible difference. But even if it doesn't make much difference, I've got some more pretty lights in my computer. So yeah, this retails at around about £150, and it's got 2 1200mm fans that keep the radiator nice and cool, hopefully, and a lovely RGB CPU cooler as well. Very nice. And also it's worth mentioning that I wouldn't be able to buy this without the support from my Patreons, the subscriptions on Twitch, and also using the Amazon affiliate links that are down in the description, not on my penis. I guess I better get on with the unboxing. Actually, before I do that, it's really important to just remind you that I'm not really like a technology vlogger. I don't know masses about computers. I'm just like a regular kind of nerd who knows a bit about lots of stuff. So I'm not Linus or Daffyd or anyone like that. I'm just like you there, and I don't make these kinds of videos, so they might not be perfect. I might not have the camera angels right, but I try. So yeah, bear with me. And also in the comments, if you're quick enough and I haven't made the subsequent videos, please do tell me what kind of stuff you want me to see me cover and what details you'd like in there, because you know, once the videos are made and this cooler's in there, it's done really. So yeah, just hit me up with whatever you want to see. But anyway, for now, let's move all this stuff off my desk, get it clear, and do an unboxing video. Right, well, let's get on with this unboxing. Is the Republic of Gamers Strix LC 240 RGB liquid CPU cooler. Let's get it open. There we go. Make sure you can see what's in the box. So we have got some fixings there. AM4, because I've got a Ryzen 7 processor. That's the one I will need. I'll have a look at that in a bit more detail in a moment. There we go. There's the 2 1200mm RGB fans with the Republic of Gamer logos on. There we go. We've got the instruction manual. There we go. It's broken down all the parts, showing everything that's in here. That makes it all pretty straightforward. I like that. And obviously it's got variations depending on which cooler you've got. Because I haven't installed anything like this before, this is going to be quite important to me. So yeah, I'll have to have a good old read of this. Excellent. Then we have this itself. I'll tell you what, let me just move the box out of the way. So here we go. This is the radiator and the CPU cooler. Right, I'm trying not to get stuff everywhere, but I want to make sure you can see it all. So what have we got here? So we've got the CPU cooler, and it's got some thermal paste applied already to try and knock that off. And here we have a 4-pin connector, and on here this is the micro USB port, and there's an adapter which I believe plugs it into the USB 2 header that's on your motherboard. I'm just guessing at the moment because I've not installed one of these before, but yeah, so that looks fine. Got some sort of protective sticker on top of it, that's good. And here is the radiator itself. Let's move that out of the way. So we've got the mounting holes for the fans, so like that and like that, and then this connects to the top or side of your case depending how you're going to mount it. And it's just like a, it's like a radiator that you'd find in your car. So that is all that part, and now obviously it's already, well, not obviously, not many people might not know this, but it is filled with the liquid already. You don't need to mess around and fill it up. It is full and completely sealed, hopefully. Right, okay, let's have a look at the next part. So here we have one of the 2 fans. There we go. So pretty simple really. So it is a Republic of Gamers Ryu fan, and it comes with 2 connectors. This one is the addressable RGB connector, and this one is the standard fan connector. And I believe what I saw in the instructions are there's some splitters and stuff to get those connected, but we'll worry about the connecting and stuff on the next video where I install it. So there's that, and let's have a little look at what we've got in this bag and try and decipher it. Is it a good idea to get a load of bits out? Probably not. Okay, so this just looks like a fan splitter cable. Yes it is. So we've got a fan splitter cable, and this is the micro USB cable that goes from the CPU cooler onto the USB 2 header on your motherboard. That's great. And okay, so this is a RGB splitter. So it seems to have a female connector there and 3 male connectors here. That's good. And then we have got the different mounting plates depending on which CPU you're using. So this is the AMD mounting bracket, so it looks like it's got the Intel mounting bracket on it already, and then this is the Intel backplate. That's what that is. Aha! So in here we've got some fixings. These look like these are the fan screws, so they're what hold the fans in position, I think. And we've also got the radiator screws in there as well. Handy. And then look, so we've got some thumb screws and standoffs there. And then we have got these standoffs, and these are for the AM4 CPU type, so that's all good. So yeah, I like the way that it's all split up into different bags. That sort of means it's good that you don't have like a big bag of bits like you get from when you're building IKEA furniture. So that's really nice. I like that. That's really helpful when it's all split up. So yeah, let's I guess the next job is to get it all installed, which will be on the next video, but it looks pretty straightforward. Possibly famous last words, we'll see. Anyway, let's go back to the desk. Well, there you have it. That was what's inside the box, and now the next stage is to actually get it in the computer. Now, because I actually use my computer as my work machine, I've got to try and find the right time to do that, where my machine can be out of action for several hours while I'm installing and filming. So yeah, I'll have to work out and sort of maybe fit it in the Christmas period when I'm not doing as much work. But yeah, we'll figure it out. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you get the notification when the next video's up. But anyway, that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!